You don't know the people. Enough respect directly to the street. No, everybody in the street love you know. Every sufferer respect and love you know. There are so many people who do short and spice. My mother, I love her so much. All of my family big up in themselves. You know, Steve as a Rasta. Steve as a Rasta from Lynn State. And now Burke. No, Burke become an artist now, you know, newest, yeah. See him over there, and then Gary, Gary, big up Gary, you know, from Lindsay, just play bath, didn't you know. And big up every son, man, big up Tony Curtis, his mother, and everybody. Me big up, big up Fata, big up Fata, big up every artist, all right. Big up Sound Man, no, but tell you about my sound friend them, no. Big up Blackheart. Blackheart, Father Ride them and Juice them and Stingy them. Big up Rolex sound from in England. Big up on yourself. You don't know me big up the Stone of the bass they see them and big up Father Weepo and Soul Supreme King and these LP them and could I don't do this? Now big up Judge Techniques. Big up all and big up every sound man. Every artist, every promoter, big up all of the girls them who still believe in the I and I know me have the faith, and big up all of the general them, big up Dintil. As I say again, big up Dintil football team. You know, Bad Rasta, Mountain Lion, Next Level, Super Slick, Earth Ruler, Father Sprocket, you don't know the major, my sound them there, you know. Jigsy King sound them there, you know. Don't know, you know, don't move it, you know. That's one of my family them there, you know. Big up on yourself, you know.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.